Hey guys, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel, Braves Diva Nails. Giving y'all a voiceover today. I wanted to show you guys how I did my plaid and reverse floral double stamping mani that I did for May's edition of Mani Swap Circle. I've used a white base, electric spark from Fancy Gloss. This polish is so gorgeous. Some yellow stamping polish that will stain the shit out of any and everything that it touches. It literally has no regard for human life. I got my big ass WhatsUpNails jumbo clear stamper, and I'm using two different Ejiubas plates. You guys know, if you have these, number one, they're double-sided. Number two, the standalone images are huge. They are so large and in charge. My nails are so stinking long, this plaid image like barely even fit on. You'll see this. Okay, so the blue goes on fairly well. I didn't do too bad of a job on the electric spark. But literally, you guys, my nails are talons right now. So the two blue nails, I thought they turned out pretty well. I did get a little bit messy here, but y'all, this white coming up, ooh, Lord, I should have put some like murder scene caution tape up. It is going to be bad. I apologize, but you know what? I rarely edit out the really bad stuff that goes on here in the salon. So, yeah, here's my ring finger. Oh, and also the brush on this the Orly brush, terrible. I hate these little skinny ass brushes because my nails are very curved. I have a very pronounced C curve, and they're kind of wide. My nails are kind of wide. So yeah, this is looking kind of bad. I apologize. I should have just poured the polish on. So anyway, I did wind up. This is the finished product. 2 coats of polish plus a glossy top coat on all of my nails, and now I'm going to go in with stamping with my electric spark. So let's just cover up my skins with my unforgettable from Ribbit Stick Its. If you guys don't have that liquid latex, it's amazing. And you may or may not know as well, these sort of fine lines, they can get kind of wonky when you're stamping, but I didn't really care because I'm going to be covering those up with my flowers. So let's go ahead and go on in here with my, see this right here. Oh, that image barely fit. Yikes. Okay, so this is where things kind of start going sideways. I'm not going to speed this footage up either because I'm just going to talk. Of course, the plan was, here, let me stamp this flower on here and cover up this wonkiness down here in the bottom corner. I'm just cleaning off the crap on my stamper head right now, but yeah, I thought everything was going to be great. I'm like, let me just cover up this little messy bit down here in the corner. Yeah, as it turns out, that didn't cover crap. It was not opaque. The polish is opaque, but I think I just picked an image that was had too much open work. So yeah, that was a fail. So I decided to go in with my black cream, which is called Game Over from Braves Diva Polish. And we're just going to make decals because, quite frankly, I enjoy making decals. I think I did wind up doing 5 different ones. I'm only going to show you this one, and I'm speeding it up here. But right now, what you're seeing me do is go over my oops with a sticky base coat, and I couldn't line it up, and the camera's in the way, and I couldn't get my angle. So I'm like, you know what? Let me align this mug off camera. So that's what I do. I'm gonna pull it up to my face, put it in my eyeballs, align that, and then come back in and pretend like, hey, I meant to do that. And it worked out beautifully. I'm so happy that I decided to do the decals. Number one, that black really pops. You get all the detail of that gorgeous flower. Okay, so back to my sticky base coat. This is Purple Willow Apothecary's Sticky Sweet Base Coat. I use it all the time. I was worried that it was going to smear that blue polish that I had stamped on. It did not. I was so thrilled. So every time I apply a decal, I'm going in just that spot, and I'm just putting just enough Sticky Sweet on there that I need to really like grasp onto my decal. So now I will use a little dotting tool and sort of separate, you know, sort of cut that flower in half, pull off. I'm telling you guys, this Z Joy or whatever the heck brand of stamp, it literally will stain every single thing. So minimal cleanup, that's awesome. So here I'm just going to go back in a couple more decals. This one I loved. It was a perfect fit. There was no cleanup. There was no nothing. And then here on my thumb, same thing. I'm going to stamp I'm going to separate it, peel off my liquid latex with my dotting tool. I think zero cleanup on that bad boy as well. It probably does appear that I am literally using half a bottle of top coat on this thumb. I'm pretty sure that I did just that, because the first two nails that I top coated, I smeared my black stamping polish. So I really was anal about this bad boy. I had put so much stamping polish, and I have no apologies. I don't care. So I did have a little bit of glossy top coat stamping to clean off of that thumb. But you guys, I freaking love the way this mani turned out. It is gorgeous. Of course, I'm a sucker for this color combo anyway. I absolutely love a bright yellow and a bright blue. Gorgeous. But my final mani, I did add a matte top coat, because matte all the things. Actually, I only matted those two middle fingers. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.